Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, October 10th. What do we got on the docket today? Big numbers coming out here at 8:30. Core CPI, which came in hotter than expected at zero point 0.3 versus zero point 0.2. CPI month over month also came in hot at 0.2% versus the expected of 0.1%. That's twice as much. CPI year over year came in at 2.4 versus 2.3, and unemployment claims came in higher than expected. This is all bad news. Means that inflation is still here and it's increasing. Unemployment is also increasing. The claims, at least, are increasing. And on top of that, we had a major hurricane hit the state of Florida overnight. So there's not a whole lot going on good right at the moment for the markets. 9:15, we have FOMC member Cook speaking. 10:30, FOMC member Barkin speaking. Natural gas storage also at 10:30. At 11 a.m., we have FOMC member Williams speaking. And it kind of makes you wonder why all these talking heads are speaking. They're going to just spew the same bull constantly, but that's just beside the point. 101, we have 30-year bond auction, and that finishes up the news for today. But wow, we got some really big news. Market did not like that number. So looking at the daily chart, you can see that we are gapping down, but we had yesterday a record day going to all-time highs. For why? I don't know. It is what it is. You got to trade what you see, not what you think. That's really hard to do, but that's the best traders do. They ignore the noise and trade the market. So where could we go? Easily could retest the highs from yesterday, 58.46. Where we go from there is uncharted territory. There's no volume. There's nothing to do but guess where this market could go. On the downside, we could definitely come back into this little clusters of highs and lows around 5,800. That seems a lot more probable today, seeing as we've got bad news, but we'll have to wait and see. Looking at the inventory yesterday, big day up price action wise. However, I thought this was really, really interesting. The closing inventory was plus 1,800. That's not very much considering the big price movement. So maybe a little divergence there. We'll have to wait and see how that all pans out. Looking at the overnight action, only about 30 points. So that's really not too bad considering there's the big news right there that just happened at 8:30. Did not like it. Kind of bouncing back a little bit, but I can't see how they're going to spin this into anything remotely positive. So I expect us to see more aggressive selling today because what this is saying is that the Fed, cannot afford to drop interest rates anymore. In fact, may have overdropped in this last FOMC meeting by the half point. Should have maybe only been a quarter point, but hey. Hindsight's always 2020. So where we got support and resistance at 58.50, got some at 58.59. Again, once we get above here, we're in the nosebleed area. These are just guesstimations. 58.81. Downside support 58.12. Obviously 5,800 is a big number we're watching, as well as 57.84, 57.80. So there you go. Stock Traders Almanac is negative today, 47.6% chance the market will be up, 47.6, so a negative bias from a Stock Traders Almanac. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.